Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer data into Mailchimp using Zapier, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer customer data into Mailchimp using Zapier, begin by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up on their website. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap at the top right corner. In the Trigger App search bar, type the name of the app where your customer data is currently stored. Select the appropriate app from the drop-down list. Follow the prompts to choose a specific trigger event that fits your needs, such as new customer or new order. Click Continue to connect your account from the chosen app. You may need to sign in or authorize Zapier to access your account. After successful connection, test the trigger to ensure data is being pulled correctly. Once confirmed, click Continue. Now it's time to set up the Action app, so search for Mailchimp in the Action app search bar. Select Mailchimp from the list. You will need to log in and grant the necessary permissions for Zapier to access your Mailchimp account. Once done, click Continue. Now, map the data fields from the Trigger app to the corresponding fields in Mailchimp, such as email address and first name. Make sure all mandatory fields in Mailchimp are filled out. After mapping the fields, click Continue. Test the action to ensure that customer data transfers correctly to Mailchimp. Once the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your integration. Your Zap is now ready, and data will be transferred automatically from your source app to Mailchimp. Regularly check both platforms to ensure everything is working smoothly. Adjust your Zap settings as needed to accommodate any changes in your data management needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.